How you doing? My name is Angelo. I'm the owner of the Aamco transmission shop in Wilmington, Mass. I just wanted to come on and share that we are still open for business right now during these uncertain times, and they are definitely uncertain with all the things that are going on around the world with the bacteria and the virus and the coronavirus and things like that. It's become very difficult to try and push forward. But that's what we're here to do. We're here to push forward. As Americans, we're resilient. And as Aamco, we adopt that same philosophy. We're resilient, and we take all the precautionary steps that we need to do in order to maintain a clean facility. Um, it's not like we just started doing that because of this virus. We've been doing that ever since we've been in business, and it's just up the ante, up the level to do it, to be even more clean and more sanitized now more than ever. Um, you know, Technicians wearing long sleeve shirts, gloves on when they drive your vehicle, tucked in. All parts are not handled like they usually were with handoffs and things like that. Everything has been an extra level of caution and precaution, just to avoid any further spread, to do our part as much as possible. But with times like this, we face inevitable slowdown, and we just want to let you know that we're here to still be able to service your cars. We are open. We do have a full staff, and all the guys here, they're great people, and they want to help, and they want to be clean and safe and sanitary and be able to service your car in the same way. So whatever we have to do in order to push forward, we will do. One of the things we're offering too is a pick up and drop off service, so you don't even have to come in. We can come pick up your vehicle, even if it's for something simple. You've been putting it off, you just don't want to leave the house. We're willing to do whatever we need to do in order to be able to help you maintain your vehicle. So I just wanted to come onto social media and let you know that we are open, and we are willing to help, and we are a clean, sanitary facility. Also, it's worth mentioning that we do complete auto repair. A lot of places don't, or a lot of people don't know that. So it's up to us to be able to spread that word and make sure people understand we do more than just transmission work. We do complete auto repair. It's actually easier for me to tell you what we don't do. And that would be tires and alignments and inspection stickers. Other than that, everything that your vehicle would need to be serviced we're more than capable of handling, and we're more than capable of doing. So the shop phone number is 978-657-5470. We're located on 520 Main Street, Wilmington. And again, my name is Angelo. The manager's name is Anthony or Gil, and they'd be more than happy to help you if you gave us a call. All right? Stay safe, and thank you.